Yeah. I go by the name of Maru. Marwan Metele. All along I was looking for greener pastures. Now I got a song, I'm delivering straight answers. Kule university you get masters. I'm the graduate ukwenza ingoma emnandi what was. I'm going major man, I'm not under minority. Cover me, I'm going in, this is part of my policy. Uboqaphela lapha khona nabakhohlisi. Ufuna ukungena wozongena kule. Ngideketisa amagama bese ngiwaphendula amabhabula. Njola no-Evo wadlisa u-Adam ama-apple. Alifakwa libuya nodaka ngelesini nyateacher. La mele uzithembe ke mangabe ufuna i-feature. Ngoba kuzoba ngathi mhlawumbe ingoma yakhe yami bese nawe ufuna ukufaka zonke izandla emalini yami mara kufani. Ngenza imali ngokubhala amahlaya. Lapha eSterfontein ngihlekise wonke amahlaya. Me I'm never letting go. Abavuli trailer door, maungona say what's up, yo. Bese ungene dance floor, yo. Ungawari skilla so, mawuyizwa turn up, yo. Me I never letting go, yo. Abavuli trailer door, maungona say what's up, yo. Bese ungene dance floor, yo. Ungawari skilla so, mami. Okwesibili ngeke kufane nokokuqala cha ngiyala khona iskili khona namarekodili bhali wheel usangagibela imoto engenamavili kandosili ngeke ukholwe ukuthi abanye abasaphili thatha amagama nomlando kunikeza ujava nothando kwasukela xozi legadi yongehlise Orlando Mthembu natural ngumrapper wasentuary mele ngibeke induku ebandla ngaphambi kokuya emoshari yazi art yenza abanye bathi yahlanya yazi isikhathi masiloku samba nenhliziyo lokuyathamba inhliziyo zabo zihamba ngesikhathi sakabanyabanya inkinga nezono zabo basikipha ngokhapukatshwala feel like I'm relapsing on my raps see my shadow busy following my steps when ubeki paparazzi mina ngigcwalisela media senior thola phakathi kwe-Instagram turn it up yo me I'm never letting go abavuli trailer door mawungona say what's up yo bese ungene dance floor yo ungawari skilla so mawuyizwa turn it up yo me I never letting go yo abavuli trailer door mawungona say what's up yo bese ungene dance floor yo ungawari skilla so mami